Hi and welcome over to the Good Web Business Hosting. I'm GC, and in this video we're going to change your logo and website title. Now in the previous video, which was the free website creating tool, I actually shown you how to get to the control panel. So if you're new and you don't know what I'm going on about, then I suggest you go and look at that video. And then what I did, I shown you how to go to Web Tools and Site Builder. And also you can click the Site Builder demo button here, and when you do that, that loads a selection of different templates that you can use. So in this example, what I'm going to do is select this one here, and then when that's loaded, you can now edit this top header. First of all, what happens is you'll get the welcome guide, so we'll come out of that, and then also you get a selection of videos as well that you can look at. And now what we're going to do is hold the cursor over where the balloon or the logo is and click settings. From settings you go to logo and website title, and then that brings this page up. Now you can actually put a company name in, and you can put any type of logo in here as well. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll just delete this logo and save changes. And as you can see, the logo's gone. So if we go back, logo, website title, you can actually put any company name up there. So just for this example, we'll have and then what you do is save, and as you can see, that is added the heading there. So let's say we want to put the logo back or any other logo. Click here, and what you need to do is click on this image button here. Now in here there is free stock photos. You can upload your own file, but just in this example I will put this image back in. And there you go, the image comes up. But as you notice, we haven't got the company name. So to actually get the company name, if you go back into settings, logo, website title, and you'll see here show logo and website title. Click that, and there you go, that brings the image back up. Now what also we can do is, if we click here and go to menu design, in here you can change all the different menus, but I'll do that in a different video. If we go to main folder, and you can have the header above, and also you can have it on a sidebar. You can also change the background colors. So let's just say, for example, if I decided to pick green, as you can see, that's changed the back of the header. And if you're happy, you can save changes. So we'll just change save. And then if we go back to settings again, go to main design. And as you can see, that's where the green is. If I swap it back to the white, and then it changes it back to white. If you want to change your actual heading company name, again, save changes, go to settings, go to logo and website title, and then we need to go to, there you go, to there, and there you see that it's black. Click on that, and let's change it, say, to a blue, and there you go, the actual color of the title has changed. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you on the next one.